Do you want to sound more professional when speaking English at work? Whether you're in meetings, writing emails, or giving presentations, using the right vocabulary makes a big difference. In today's video, you'll learn 10 essential business English words that will help you sound more polished and confident in any professional setting. Each word comes with a clear explanation, real-world example sentences, and repeat after me practice. Let's get started. Deadline. This is the latest time or date by which something should be completed. Say it with me. Deadline. 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 For example, the project deadline is next Monday. Or, we're working hard to meet the deadline. Missing the deadline could delay the entire launch. Now repeat after me. We must meet the deadline. Don't miss your deadline. Our next word is negotiate. This is to discuss something formally in order to reach an agreement. Say it with me. Negotiate. 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 Some examples are, we need to negotiate a better price. They negotiated a long-term contract with the supplier. Or, she is very skilled at negotiating under pressure. Now repeat after me. We have to negotiate the terms. They negotiated successfully. Revenue. This is income that a company receives from its business activities. Say it with me. Revenue. 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 Some examples are, the company's revenue increased by 20% last year. Advertising brought in significant revenue. We are looking for new ways to generate revenue. Now repeat after me. This campaign will increase revenue. How much revenue did we make? Strategy. This is a plan of action designed to achieve a long-term goal. Say it with me. Strategy. 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 For example, we could say, we need a clear strategy for entering the new market. Their marketing strategy was very effective. She helped develop a strategy for growth. Now repeat after me. Let's talk about the strategy. What's our strategy for this quarter? Productivity. This is the rate at which work is completed, especially efficiently. Say it with me. Productivity. 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 Some examples are, we're focused on improving productivity. Distractions can reduce team productivity. Using the new tool increased productivity significantly. Now repeat after me. Our productivity has improved. We need to boost productivity. Collaboration. This is working together with others to achieve a goal. Say it with me. Collaboration. 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 Some examples are, the project was a success thanks to team collaboration. Effective collaboration leads to better results. We need more collaboration between departments. Now repeat after me. This project requires collaboration. We value collaboration at our company. Implement. This is to put a plan or system into operation. Say it with me. implement, implement, implement. For example, we could say, we will implement the changes next week. Or, the new policy was implemented successfully. Management decided to implement new training programs. Now repeat after me. Let's implement this idea. It's time to implement the plan. Feedback. This is information about reactions to a product, task, or performance used for improvement. Say it with me. Feedback. 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 Some examples are, we received great feedback from the client. Your feedback helps us improve. She asked for feedback after the presentation. Now repeat after me. Please give me your feedback. Thanks for the helpful feedback. Budget. This is an estimate of income and expenses for a set period of time. Say it with me. Budget. 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 Some examples are, we're preparing the annual budget. The project went over budget. They had to adjust the budget for marketing. Now repeat after me. Let's stay within the budget. We need to finalize the budget today. Client. This is a person or organization using the services of a professional or company. Say it with me. Client. 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 Some examples are, the client requested a revision to the contract. We had a meeting with a new client this morning. Our top priority is client satisfaction. Now repeat after me. The client is waiting for our response. We value our client relationships. For those of you that want to continue to improve your English in a business setting, make sure to take a look in the description below where I have included my playlist for English for Business. Check it out.